Baby, we refreshing human hair boho wigs, honey, and getting put together. We snatching today. We looking today. Come on now, look how it all coming together. We about to be fall fly up and down those Target aisles, looking good, smelling good, all the things. Hey cousins, hey, what's up y'all? So do you remember this wig right here? This is the human hair boho full lace wig. It always sells out, especially in the length 18, but they do have them in stock now. I don't know for how long, y'all, but I'm about to refresh it. Here's the thing, I've had this wig since I think January of this year. This is my most worn wig. I wear this wig all the time. When I need something to throw on real quick and I don't have to melt it down, look, that's glueless, y'all. I literally just throw this on. I'm not playing. This is so worth the coin. Y'all, if you have never spent your ducats on something before to go on top of your head, scalp area, baby, this is an option. I literally love this wig. This is probably one of my favorite wigs, if not top two, okay? I literally wear it all the time. We gotta refresh it though, okay? Because I wear it all the time, right? It's human hair, so there are some things that you don't have to worry about, like tangling and shedding and all of that stuff, right? But you still gotta refresh it, because if you wear it all the time, just say you wear it to church, you at revival, you've been shouting and carrying on, then you go to the beach, then you go to the family reunion, all the things. After a while, you're gonna have to refresh that thing. Now right here, this is in its dry form, but we're gonna go ahead and just do like a slight little bop, right? This mousse right here, I only use this on my good wigs, okay? The human hair, the boho type thing, okay? First of all, it's high moisturizing, y'all. There's no alcohol. It's not gonna dry it out, none of the things, but it holds the definition. You know what I'm saying? You want something that's going to be strong enough to hold the definition, but soft enough to just be nourishing and moisturizing and, you know, kind of just gentle, but it's going to hold the look. You know what I'm saying? Without it being crunchy and hard and dry. This right here is my favorite mousse right now, y'all. So I start off with the mousse, okay? Now, if you just want to like co-wash it, like wash it and condition it, because remember, this is human hair. This is a human hair wig. Everything is human hair on this wig, so you can do that. I'm just saying, if you just need a quick refresh bop, look at that. And then I go with my mist, my water, and just kind of mist it a little bit, so that way I can like literally head out the door just like that. It's not dripping down my clothes, down my face. It's not doing any of the things, okay, that can happen if you just go through and just do a, you know, a full wash or co-wash or whatnot. So if you want it to look like you just did that, this is what you do. But again, this mousse right here, this is for your like human hair wigs, all right? I wouldn't waste this on the synthetic wigs. You can use a lot of body on your synthetic wigs. That's a really, really good mousse for your synthetic wigs, okay? You can use the Esha mousse on your synthetic wigs. That's also a very good, very moisturizing mousse for the synthetic wigs. But when you know, you hopping into the human hair wigs, you don't want to waste, because mousses like this, products that are kind of high end, they may cost a little bit more. So, you know, kind of just determine what you want to use it on, all right? But look at that, y'all. Honey, all I got to do is get dressed, and I am going to get dressed. I'm about to show y'all some. This whole look came together through any weather, okay? Now, I wanted to show you that you can wear it glueless, but I'm gonna melt it down because my husband and I have some things that we're gonna do today, and I just want to have a really, really secure wig. Not that I needed to melt it, because clearly you just saw it glueless, right? Right, okay? But if you want it secure, go ahead and hit it with the Esha melt spray. I'm doing a double layer, okay? So you just spray it, you go on across that lace. I spray on top with this wig because it's already in place and it looks so good glueless. I don't want to disturb it, so I don't want to pick it up, spray it, and put it down. I don't want to do any of that stuff. So get it down, get it almost dry. It's, you know, tacky, sticky, and then go through with another layer. All right, bam, get that dry. Put your your edge holder down on there. Bam. Change your clothes. Y'all remember this? I put this on the community wall and y'all asked me, did I purchase it? And I was like, yes, honey, I got that orange. Well, it came in. Boop. When I tell you I love this right here, I love it. I'm wearing a medium, I think. Usually I get things more oversized. So, a large would have worked too. But yeah, y'all. It's a whole vibe. It is a whole vibe. I absolutely love how this look came together. I'm going to have all the links, of course, in the description box, but I had to put on my shoes, right? So I got my Steve Maddens, threw those suckers on. Look how this all came together, y'all. It's chill because it's getting a little nippy outside, so we can start wearing our fall fashion, which we all know is fly fashion. We know that. Y'all know I'm gonna be dripping in gold, but it's gonna be the play gold from Amazon. I'm not ashamed. I love it. I love the way it looks, and when it's doing too much, bam, I just replace it because it's economically pleasing to my jacket pocket. Now this is what sets it off right here. Baby, this smells so good. Y'all, oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell you something. And this is a knockoff too, y'all. Ain't no shame in this is a whole knockoff, y'all. It smells so good. It smells so good. And it's unisex. Give it a try. See if you like it. But y'all, look, it's gonna snatch you. It's gonna snatch you, okay? You'll like it though. But the whole look, little refresh bop, a little, two-piece sweatsuit bop, throwing your Steve middies, you know what I'm saying? Put your little fragrance on, bam, that's it. That's all, y'all. Peace, love, light.